Hey YouTube people. I don't want to say hey YouTube because I know that's somebody's catchphrase, but today we're gonna unbox a Rubik's Cube. Need a YouTube video, so it's been like 8 days I think since my last YouTube video. Like to do them often. So get started. Let me just pause it. Okay, I have my pocket knife right here. So I guess it sits right here. Beautiful. Honestly, I don't really like Rubik's Cubes, but this was a gift, so I'm not gonna give it away. Just a Christmas gift. Pretty nice. Doesn't get stuck like some other ones. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to go too far, subscribe to the channel. No, don't. No, actually, I need some subs, you know. Okay, bye then.